China is a big opportunity for Saipem. Our subcontractors are the best yards in the world, and the clients, which are the best companies in the world. In China we have a philosophy, we work together. We like the word integrated team because we really believe that the success is passing from this integration. Today was really a great day here in Qingdao in China, because all the Saipem teams in China together with the subcontractors and the client convened to celebrate the new phase of our leadership program based on human behavior. The takeaway that all our managers took away for their sites starting from tomorrow is to make sure that we make easy for our people to do the right things, and make sure that we make difficult for our people to do the wrong things.
So it was a very good day, very intense, very deep brainstorming. It was great to launch in the area the fail-safe workshop, and I'm really delighted for the passion, committed, and energy brought in by everyone. So really looking forward for the action plan generated to be implemented and to really strengthen our safeguards. So well done, everyone.
Thanks all of you again for coming here.